Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share to you about network fundamental. Okay, network fundamental, understanding the backbone of connectivity. The foundation. What is a network? A network is fundamentally a group of two or more interconnected computing device, computer, servers, printer, and other that communicate to share data and resource. One, local LAN. LAN is local area network. LAN cover a small localized area like a office building, home, or school campus, characterized by high data transfer rates. The second, wide, one, wide area network spans geographical regions linking multiple lines together. Large often overlays the telecommunication lines, the internet, and the third, man, metropolitan area network. Connect multiple lines within a city or metropolitan area. It covers a larger area than a LAN but smaller than a one. Men use high-speed connection like fiber optics and is often used by universities, companies, or government to share data across city location. And the last, PAN, personal area network. Connect personal device like phone and laptop over a short range using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Expanding the scope. Other network types. Beyond LAN and WAN, specialist networks serve specific organizational or geographic purpose. Intranet, a private internet network utilizing internet protocol like TCP or IP, but accessible only by an organization members, heavily secured by firewalls. Second, extranet. Extend an internet to allow control access to external users, such as suppliers, vendors, or business partners, requiring secure authentication. And the third, metropolitan area network. Designed to cover a city or large campus, it is larger than a LAN but smaller than one, often linking multiple lines within a municipal area. The value proposition. Why network matter? Efficient information sharing. Enable instant access to centralized database, share documents, and critical organizational files across all connected devices and users. The second, research optimization, hardware and software. Allows hardware research, such as high-end printers, scanners, and servers to be shared, reducing redundancy and cost. Centralized software deployment simplifies management. And the third, instant collaboration and communication. Facilitates teamwork through connection application, instant messaging, email, and video conferencing, regardless of physical location. Network device, the essential components. These hardware components are the physical nodes responsible for directing, filtering, and connecting the data traffic. One, router. Router interconnects in different network, your home LAN, and the internet. Direct data package based on IP address. Second, access point. Access point creates a wireless local area network or VLAN, allowing the device to connect to the wide network using Wi-Fi standard. The third, switch. Switch can connect multiple devices within a single network. LAN device address make to forward data frames efficiently to the correct destination. And the fourth, firewall. Firewall, a security device or software that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Okay, next, transmission media. The data highways, the physical pathways over which data travels, determine the speed, range, and reliability of the connection. Wired media. The wire cables, Cat 5e or 6, most common for lines, affordable and easy to install, but susceptible to electromagnetic interference. Fiber optic cables transmit data using light signals, offer the highest bandwidth, longest distance, and immunity to electrical noise. Wireless media, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, user radio waves to connect device to the network, essential for mobility and accessibility. Microwave or satellite, used for long distance communication where laying physical cable is impractical, such as remote areas or transoceanic links. Okay. The next, governing communication, protocol and layers. Network rely on structure, rules, and layered architecture to ensure reliable data exchange. The one TCP/IP, next to IP, and the next DNS, and the last HTTP. Network topologies, structuring the connection. Topology defines the physical or logical arrangement of nodes and connection in a network. Topology 1 star. This is familiar because all devices connect directly to a central node, switch, or hub. Failure of one link does not affect others. Highly reliable and easy to manage. The second, mesh for reference. Every node is connected to every other node, extremely fault tolerant and robust, but expensive and complex to install. And the third, topology bus. All devices share a single backbone cable, simple and inexpensive, but a brick in the main lines of all transmission. The last, topology ring, each device connect to exactly to other, forming a circular pathway that happens sequentially from node to node. Critical concern. Network security. Protecting data and infrastructure from unauthorized access and damage is paramount. Key threat. Malicious attacks, malicious, malicious attacks from hacker, virus, and ransomware. The second, insider threat, negligent or malicious intent. And the last, equipment failure and natural disasters. Essential solution. You can encryption, scrambling data so only authorized parties and can understand the information, securing transmission and storage. And the second, access control and firewalls, implementing strict authentication or MFA, and configuring firewalls to filter unwanted or suspicious traffic. And last, regular backup strategy, creating multiple copies of critical data to ensure business continuity in case of data loss or system failure. The connect horizon, the future of networking. Cloud networking, using centralized, remotely managed infrastructure to increase scalability, agility, and reduce localized hardware needs. IP6 adoption. The new IP addressing standard is essential to accommodate the billion of new devices connecting to the internet or IoT explosion. Virtualization. Software defined networking or SDN and network function virtualization or NFV are making network more programmable and flexible. Takeaway: network are the enabling force behind the global digital economy. A strong grasp of this fundamental is key to is key to future technological innovation. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry, I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you can get something for this video. Sorry, I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.